How you doing, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Today we have General Mills on our radar on the daily time frame, and their ticker symbol is GIS. So if you're not familiar with the General Mills, they're the cereal brand, obviously. So today I want to just say thank you to everyone who's been tuning in, everyone who's new here and subscribed. I greatly appreciate your subscription and following, obviously. But if you have any questions, as usual, leave them down in the comments. Please feel free to like the video, go over all the other videos. As you can see, my track record's been pretty good. So for those who are loyal viewers, I want to just say thank you. Like, thank you and hats off to all of you. So let's get right into it and let's get with some cereal. So for General Mills, right? I would like to see they did open bullish here, so I would like to see if they're going to actually end up coming back down into at least this $35 area, or just simply from here just exploding towards that $37, $38 mark to even possibly even surpass it, right? If it does get above that, then we have a good streak of like just a run for $42, $43. So if you can see what I'm seeing, like this is a great run towards that $43 mark if it gets above that 38, 39, right? That's it. So if it does end up coming past this area and actually closing under 35, then I would like to see if it's going to actually hit that $34 mark and then going higher, or maximum I would see is possibly 32 to possibly 31. 32, 31 will be the last area I would look for any buying opportunities. That's it. After that, I'm selling after that. Like, that's it. But I hope that covers everything. I mean, for General Mills, it's been just constantly going down. I mean, I don't see like any buyers stepping in anytime like soon, not by excuse me, any sellers coming in anytime soon, even though it's been on a downtrend. I don't see any sellers coming in anytime soon, only because I see like the whole trend actually starting to shift here. So hopefully we can actually get that going towards more the upside. So yeah, that's basically it. Again, if you have any questions about any charts or just any anything with a candlestick, anything, feel free to leave them down in the video below. If you have gotten this far, feel free to put thank you in the comments, and also have a great week. And again, I really appreciate everyone watching and everyone staying tuned. Have a great one. Peace.